Hello everyone, this is Suzie.Learns, and today I'm going to be teaching you all how to make the jumbo box braids using the rubber band method. If you are new here, you're highly welcome. If you're not new here, then welcome back. I used Darling Kena color hair in the color 30 for this. That's why you can see the color is actually different from my hair. Back to the video. Then to begin, I'm going to be combing out my hair. I'm going in with hair milk. This milk is really good for the scalp. It destroys dandruff and it suits itching also. Then I'm going in with cacao oil. For those of us who use the cherry powder, you will know what cacao oil is already. I'm combing out the hair so that the oil can spread evenly. These are my rubber bands. I'm using pure almond oil to soak the rubber bands so that it relieves tension on my hair. As you can see, I'm mixing it with a pure almond oil. I'm going to cut out the lines. Note that my hair is actually a little bit damp and it has been oiled and cleaned. This hair is 4B/4C hair and it's just 1 year old. You can see the length. It's not that long, but at least it's something. In fact, I'm really happy for the growth. Like, it does make me happy a lot. I'm going with a bobby pin to hold that in place so it doesn't disturb. Then to hold the edges in place, I'm going in with ORS olive oil edge control and the Echo hair styling gel. This helps to hold my edges in place and to make the boxes neat and strong. I'm just gonna be applying the edge control first before I apply the Echo hair styling gel. Because I've them on my at the back of my palm already. I'm going to brush it out. Be sure to wrap the rubber bands 4 times only. 4 times only. So don't be too tight on your head. It's gonna drag that. So now I'm done with the back, and for the front I'm going to split it into 2 sections because I want it to fall on the side, not going back. Don't mind my line, it's not that straight. I'm just going to hold that side with the bobby pin. So I'm going to be applying cacao oil on the line, just make it look neater. I'm going to comb it out before I start. And this for the front, I'm just going to cut it like sideways, like horizontally, not vertically, as you can see. Well, now I'm going to repeat the same process that I did at the back, applying the edge control and the styling gel. Then I'm going to like wrap it up with the rubber bands. I'm just going to repeat it. Then I'll see you at the end of the video. Just watch the video. It's gonna be in fast motion, but not too fast, so I can see it. In case you are still learning how to do it, you can all see how I'm doing it. So now I'm at the end of this section. I'm actually doing the last one. So I'm just wrapping it up and yeah, ready to drag it 4 times actually, and then drag. That is the end of the section. Just going to do the other section. I've already started it, as you can see, repeating the same process over and over again. Push through, and then I'm going to just apply everything and wrap it up with the rubber band. Repeating the same process. So I'm actually on the last one. I'm going to use the weave I did. I used it to hold the hair since I can't put a weave in there. So I'm just going to be applying the edge control and the hair gel. I'm going to brush them out. Then we just forget to use the rubber band to do it 4 times only. I'm going with the Darling Kina Column braiding hair in color 30. I actually love this braiding hair because it matches my hair type. It is not so soft, that is so strong. It's just the right braiding hair for 4B/4C hair, and I really love it. I actually cut mine to 3, and yeah, this is how you do it. I don't know what I'm saying, but know that before you start weaving, you have to like apply a little bit of styling gel on your hair so you can sleep. Remember, my hair is not stretched. I am actually doing a no heat period, and I didn't stretch my hair, so yeah, I have to apply the styling gel to my hair before I start weaving so you can actually sleep in the baby hair. And even when I'm weaving, I apply more at the tip so that you can sleep really well, so it doesn't have that ugly look after like 2 days. It begins to like so I'm going to repeat the same process here. Just apply the styling gel and braid and braid and braid. So guys, this is how I prepare my braiding hair. After all the cuts are just, I apply hair milk to it, and I apply styling gel to it before combing it. This will make it smooth and actually slip along with your hair. Like make your hair have that like nice look and so shiny look. It's so pretty. I love it. Comb. That's how we do. And as I said earlier, we're actually going to be applying styling gel to the hair, but I didn't say something. Before you start, you have to like part your hair into 3 to make the braiding easier. As you can see what I just did, part your hair into 3 and then start braiding to make it have this bossy big jumbo look. And yeah, as you can see from others, like this is actually what I'm doing. I'm applying more styling gel so my hair can't slip as I continue. Be sure to borrow hair when necessary, and this is the invisible borrowing method. I have to borrow from the back of another strand of hair to make it invisible, as you can see. We are done. Almost done. Actually, we're not fully done, but this is the look we achieved so far. I'm just going to be trimming the edges because strands of hair must surely come out. It's not natural hair. What's going to be trimming? Be careful. Be sure not to trim your natural hair because you're just going to end up cutting your hair and regretting it later. So you have to do this carefully. Just trim the sides. And be careful while doing so you don't cut your natural hair. I'm going to be going with my edges. I actually use the ORS edge control for my edges. It's the best edge control for us that I have seen. It doesn't really flake. It's okay. So this is hot water. I'm going to be putting the hair in hot water, the tips, so it can actually set. And this, I'm using hot towel, which was pre-soaked in hot water to damp my hair, so that you can use any little pain I'm feeling and make that hair something like shine. So now I'm going to be cutting the ends of the hair, the necessary ends, the necessary length that I do not need. Yeah, cut. And I'm also going with the hair mousse. Hair mousse helps to hold your hair in place for long. Your hair can stay for long. Once you've got hair mousse, you're covered. So we're applying that evenly. I'm also going to be applying it for the hair. And where I've got my edges done, I'm going to be applying it there also. I'm just going to wrap it so it can set and stay in place. Be sure to use a satin scarf and a satin bonnet also. I'm going with my hairspray to make my hair shine. And yeah, I'm almost done. I think this is the final look. If you like this video, you can give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought, what you loved about the video and what you didn't like about the video. I'm all ears, I'm all eyes, and I'm going to reply every comment. Share this video to your friends and family, those who are interested in hair, and also subscribe if you love my content. Please do not subscribe if you do not love my content. If you love my content, then subscribe. If you do not love it, then do not subscribe. Also, be sure to follow my social media platforms. You can find me on Instagram at Suzie.Learns and on Snapchat at Suzie.Davids. Link is in description box. So this is the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for staying to the end. Love ya so. I promise to come with another video. Thank you so much once again. Bye.